As a crucial contributor, accounting for 30% of the country's revenue, the manufacturing industry still grapples with a number of challenges, from tariff barriers, issues related to quality and standards. Additionally, there is also a gap between investment in the sector and more needed value addition on the products produced.
Compared to their previous charges of certification to the point of getting a mark. So one of the areas that we are looking about for improvement would be to harmonize, to see that our industry or the sector may not go as far as paying abnormous charges, and yet we are losing the competitive advantage across the region.
Now, against that background, we have identified 5 big issues to address for purposes of turning around the economy. To begin with is that at UMA we recognize that 70% of our membership is SME, and we know that these SMEs were distorted by COVID-19, and therefore they need to recover. Government of Uganda got money in excess of 200 billion. It is stuck in the banks because the SMEs are not borrowing. So one of the conversations that we have put on table now is how to use this money so that we recover the economy.
Nevertheless, the Uganda Manufacturers Association has joined forces with key stakeholders in the sector, such as the Uganda Insurance Association and NCBA Bank. This strategic partnership is aiming to address most of the challenges, with great emphasis on simplifying ways which manufacturers can access finances.
The manufacturing sector accesses financing from banks. The banks want guarantees that the credit they are forwarding or advancing to the manufacturing sector is backed by securities that are insured. There is no bank that will offer a credit facility to a businessman without understanding the risk profile and how they are managing their risk internally. A bank will ask for collateral, but that collateral will most likely be insured, and that is the role of insurance.
We continue grappling with same problems in Uganda. This time around, we thought that as Uganda Manufacturers Association, we start doing it differently by addressing growth in the economy, so that once the economy grows, then taxation becomes a very simple matter because the base will be big, and if each one of us contributes, it will be easier for government to raise revenue.
Trying to grow the tax base so that, as you said, we don't squeeze the members right here who are helping to develop Uganda. What we are doing in line to that is we are continuing with our strategy of digitalization. You must have seen the Mpa-Irisiti Yange that we are running with. You must have seen the Because of You that we are doing to try and build the social contract with our taxpayers. You must have seen the digital stamps that we're trying to do. How is that helping the taxman? We are trying to get information. The more information we get about the players in the market, the better for us.
The sector has also been highly capital intensive to enhance its capacity for exports. This indicates its promise to fuel economic growth in the country once fully supported, given its contribution of job creation, more revenue, and attracting investors in the country. Bronia Katusiime, Smart24 TV, Business Today.